Children, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to teach you data handling in chapter 17. Okay. In this video, I'm going to cover what do you mean by data, what do you mean by array data, means arrange data, what do you mean by raw data, what do you mean by mean, median, and mode, and how to find out mean, median, mode. Apart from that, we have to cover in this video probability. What is probability? What do you mean by outcomes and etc. All the notes I have to write, and you will also copy in your school classwork copy. And one more thing, because within the video we can means trying to cover maximum thing but very difficult, so that's why I'm telling you, please join in the online classes. Okay, whatever the links I'm providing, so within the link we can join the class, you can ask your any query. Okay, so please watch this video till end.
Children, a few important points are there. Data handling. See, a collection. What is data? A collection of facts regarding some information in the form of numerical figures is called data. A data as it is collected or recorded is called raw data. A data arranged in ascending or descending order is called arrayed data. Each numerical figure in data is called an observation. Called an observation. The number of times a particular observation occurs in a data is called its frequency. Now tally mark. Tally mark, this mark is using in the tally marks, are the useful in counting observation. We write tally marks in bunch of 5, like 4 means what? Bar, after that 1 slash is known as 5. It is represent 5. A table showing the frequency of a various observation is called frequency distribution table. Data can be presented visually by bar graph drawn vertically or horizontally. Now, mean, median, mode. Mean, median, mode are the representative value or measuring of central tendency of a data. Mean means sum of observation by number of observation. So means sigma xi by xn. Suppose example, I'm taking 3 numbers 1, 2 and 3. So sum of observation means 1 plus 2 plus 3 by number of observation means what? 1, 2, 3. So it will come 3 means 6 by 3, that is 2. This is our mean. So this is example of mean. Now median. If the observation of a data are arranged in ascending or descending order, then median equal to what? Median observation means if the number of observation is odd, so middle one we have to take. If even number, that time we have to take the average of the two middle observation if the number of observation is even. Suppose example I'm showing you. If odd means what? If the numbers will come like this 1, 2, 3, this is arranging data, so we can easily find out this is our median. If 4 will come even means 1, 2, 3, 4, that time the middle of the data, so this is the middle of the data 2 and 3, so we have to do 2 plus 3 by 2. So average of two middle observation if the observation is even. Now mode. What do you mean by mode? The observation which occurs maximum of times in the given data. Suppose one example I'm showing you. If 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. This is the numbers are given. Okay. So which number is coming maximum time? So from here we can see 3 is coming 3 times, 2 is coming 2 times, 1 is coming 1 time. So our mode will be what? 3. Therefore mode is equal to what? 3. Write down all the notes, whatever, these are the important points. Okay, after that we will move for probability. Now probability is a measure of uncertainty. Okay, an action or activity is called random experiment. It has more than one outcome and it is not possible to predict the outcome in advance. Okay, an event is a collection of some outcomes of a random experiment. Occurrence of an event when the outcome of an experiment satisfies the condition mentioned in the event, we say that event has occurred. Okay, outcomes which ensure the occurrence of an event are called favorable outcomes to the event. Now, PE means probability of equally likely outcomes, means the probability of an event E written as PE, okay, is defined as, okay, PE means probability of event, means number of outcomes favorable to E, okay, by total number of outcomes of the experiment. You can understand once we have to solve the problem, you can understand very easily. So you have to watch this video till end. Question number 117.1, maybe in the means introduction I have written 18, so you have to change that one 17. Okay, the number of rooms in 25 houses of a locality is given below. Okay, so number 1, we have to arrange the above data in ascending order. Find the range of the data, construct frequency distribution table for the above data, find the number of houses which have 4 or more than 4 rooms, draw bar graph to represent the above data. In this question we can get everything. So first 1, then 1, then 1. How many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 3. How many 3s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now 4, we have to count how many 4s are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. And one more 4 is a 5. Okay, now 5. How many 5s are there? 1, 2, 3. How many 6 are there? 6. Now this is correct or wrong, we have to, first of all we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So out of 25 all are matched. So this is correct. Now second one, according to the data it is asking find the range of the data. So find the range of the data means what? This is our highest and this is our lowest. So 6 minus 1, that is 5. So range of the data is what? Yes, highest observation we have to see and lowest. Highest is 6 and lowest is 1. So 6 minus 1, 5. Okay. Now frequency distribution table. we have to, okay, 1 number of what? Number of rooms, then tally marks, I'm short, I'm writing TM, then frequency, okay. So 1, how many rooms are there? 1 2 3, so 3. 2, how many are there? 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 4. 3, how many 3s are there? We have already count 8, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 7 8, this is 8. 4, how many 4 rooms are there? 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, okay. Now what we have to find? 5s. How many 5s are there? 1 2 3, 1 2 3, okay. Now 6, how many 6 are there? 1 2. Now total, so total equal to what? 7 15 20 23 25, so total equal to what? 5. Now number 4, it is asking, number 4, this question it is asking what? Find the number of houses which have 4 or more than 4. 4 and more than 4. So 4 houses means what? How many houses are there? This is 5, 3 and 2. So 5 plus 3 plus 2 means 10. So there are 10 rooms which have more than 4 rooms. 10. So there are 10 houses where the more than 4 or 4 rooms are there, means 4 or more than 4 rooms are there, because 5, see here 4 rooms are what? 5 room, and okay, and 5 house means 5 rooms in 3 houses and 6 rooms in 2 houses. So there are, okay. Now in the bar graph paper, so here graph paper is not there, so I can write like this only, take like this only, this is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, okay. This is y-axis, this is x-axis. So 1 up to where? 3 is there, so 1 room 3 house, okay. Now 2 room, what? 4, so where is 4? Here is 4, this is 2. Then 3 rooms in 8 houses are there, so we have to increase it up to 8 7, this is 8. This 4 number question I'm taking here, writing here only, okay, because lack of space is there. So 4 1 10 2, okay. Now this is 5 1, this is 8, this is y-axis, so up to here, okay. This is your 8. Now 4 rooms, how many? 4 means 5, up to 5 we have to go, this is 4, this is 3. Now 5, 3 rooms are there, so we have to count up to 3, this is 3. Then 6 up to 2, but you have to draw this one in your graph paper. Okay, so this is number of houses, this is number of houses, this side we have to write number of houses. Okay, number of houses, this side we have to write number of houses, and this is number of rooms, number of houses. Okay, houses, and this is number of rooms, this side number of rooms, and this is your required answer. So within the one question we have done everything. So write down please. Now question number 1 exercise 17.2, it is written find the mean of the following data. So mean, as I told you, number of sum of the observation divided by number of observation. Okay, 40 plus 30 plus 30 plus 0 plus 26 plus 16 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 6. So it will come 186 by 6. So 8 3s are 6 3s are 18 and 6 1s are 6, 31. This is your required answer. Write down please. 1 1. Question number 7, it is given if the arithmetic means of 8 4 6 x 2 7 is 5, means here mean equal to what? 8 plus 4 plus 6 plus x plus 2 plus 7. How many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 observations are there, but mean is given 5. So instead of mean I can write 5. Now add what? 8 plus 4 12, 12 6 18, 18 and 2 20, 27 plus x by 6. This implies that I can write. Now do the cross multiply. So 30 equal to 27 plus x. This implies that x equal to 30 minus 27. This is 3. Therefore the value of x equal to what? 3. This is our required answer. Write down please. Now exercise 17.3 question number 1 it is given, the numbers are given, means observations are given 3 1 5 6 3 4 5. So first of all we have to arrange the data ascending or descending. I am arranging ascending. 1 3 3, then 4, then 5, then 5, then 6. Now from here we can easily find out, because data is odd. So this is odd means what? This is 3, this is 3, and this is what? 7th one. So this is our mean. Therefore median equal to 4. Because our data is odd, we can easily find out. So median will be 4. Write down please. Question number 2 first, it is given find the mode. No, we have to go for one, means this odd one. Now we will go for the one even one. So 1 second we have to solve. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, this is our even number. So we have to arrange the data. first of all we have to arrange the data ascending or descending. So 1, I'm arranging ascending, 1 3, then 3, then 4, then 5 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, 1 3 3, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So how many 4s are there? Means yes, then 6. Now this is our even, data is even, and this is odd. So odd one we can easily find out, but even means 1 2 3. Here 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4. So average of the two middle one, because this is what, median we have to find, na? Median equal to sum of the, because of means so even number, so we have to two middle number will come in, that is 4 plus 5 by 2 means 9 by 2, that is 4.5, because this is odd number, because see 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, so one middle will come this one middle will come this one, so two middle has come, because this is even number. So what, 4 plus 5 by 2, therefore 9 by 2 means 4.5. This is our required median. Write down please. Now 3 first, it is asking find the mode. So which number is coming maximum time? So 1 is coming one time, but 3 is coming 1 2 3, so 3 will be our mode. The rest of the other numbers are coming less than 3, so mode will be what, 3. This is our required answer. Write down please. Yes, exercise 17.4. Here few questions are given. I am discussing two questions only. Here, tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible to happen, can happen, but not certain. You are older today than yesterday. You are, see, read the question carefully. You are older today than yesterday. That's mean what? This is certain to happen. Certain to happen. Certain to happen. Now question number 1 2, it is asking that 200 people can sit in a Maruti car. In a Maruti car, how many people can sit? Maximum 6 people, not more than. So this is what? Impossible to happen. Possible to happen. So rest of question you can solve by yourself only in exercise 17.4, question 1. Now question number 2, a coin is flipped to decide which team start the game. What is the probability that your team will start the game? So in a coin, so if you toss one head, one tail will come. So what is the chance? So chance will be what? So in it, either head or tail will come. Either head or coin flip decide which team start the game. So either this one will come or this one will come. So it will come what? 1 by 2. So our probability will be what? 1 by 2. Write down please. Yes, question number 4, it is asking 4-1 I am solving. Okay, it is asking a die is tossed 1, find the probability of getting a number less than 3. Die means what? 1 2 3 4. Dice in the die, what? 1 2 3 4 5 6 are there. So less than 3 means how many numbers will come? 1 and 2. So 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3. So probability will be 1 by 3. Write down please. Okay, to getting a prime number means what? This is a prime number, this is prime number, this is prime number. So 1 2 3, 3 by 6, so it will come 1 by 2. So getting prime number, it will be what? 1 by 2. The probability of getting prime number in a die, it will be 1 by 2. Write down please. Question number 6, it is asking, a card is drawn from well shuffled pack of 52 playing cards. Find the probability of getting a red card. Getting a red card. Red card means what? Means getting a red card means P. This is our event. So how many red cards are there? 13 plus 13 means 26 red cards are there by out of 52. So it will come 1 and this will 2. So 1 by 2 our answer, because see, heart is 10 heart, 13 heart are there and 13 diamonds are there. All the these are the two red cards in the what? In the playing cards are there na. So 26 by 52, 26 by 52, that is 1 by 2, and this is our. I hope you understand whatever I taught. If you are having any doubt, that's why I'm telling you, join the online class. In the online class we can means cover maximum thing, because in the YouTube video we are having very less time. Okay, within the less time you have to means what? Trying to solve maximum thing. So please join in the online class. Please share, subscribe and like the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Watching this video till end. I hope you understand. So please share, subscribe and like the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.